So basically, I turned 20 and 5 days later, I moved out with the love of my life, and I just can't believe that we actually did it. Here's us a month ago sending in our first and only application. Oh my god.
You about to press send?
Alright, pay and finish. What? Sarah?
Like.
Application payment confirmation for Reyes. Oh my god. My fingers are...
Now I get to walk around with you.
Hi. If you haven't guessed it yet, we got approved. Yay. Now I have to pack my whole entire room. I started yesterday, but we literally move out tomorrow, so I have to finish. So this is basically just all of my clothes and everything that was in my desk drawer in boxes. So I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full boxes of my stuff. But Sadie, what do you think about this? Yeah, me too. This is all of my makeup, so that will be fun. Hi, so I'm packing up my makeup right now, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about how I feel because I'm moving out, obviously. The thing is, Zach and I's plan was to move out in December 2020 or January 2021, and then here we are in July 2020 with an apartment, and we're moving out tomorrow. So my brain, oh my gosh. But I feel like that's how life is. Like, you make a plan and then the plan is not the plan anymore. But I'm not mad at it. Like, I've wanted to move out for so long, and there's just a lot of good things that are coming with this, you know? On the other hand, I feel like I've been doing a lot of growing because I am 1000% a creature of habit. So I just like to do the same things all the time because it's comforting. And this year has been filled with so much change. I didn't realize how much new stuff I would be doing with just applying for an apartment. Like, now I know how to get renter's insurance and set up electricity and buy a couch. I feel like I'm like a child and I'm doing all of these like grown-up things and I don't belong, but here I am doing it. Also, another funny thing about the apartment is Zach has never seen it before. I went there one time because my friend lived there, and then I decided I'm gonna live here one day. So I basically manifested it. And because of COVID, they weren't letting anybody do any tours or whatever, but I was like, that's fine, I've been there before and I love the building and I love the apartment, so let's just buy it. And Zach is so go with the flow. I could never, oh my gosh. But he's so go with the flow that he was just like, okay, and he just trusted me, and we picked out the floor plan that we want, which is the same one my friend had, and now we're moving into it, and he's gonna see it for the first time tomorrow and like visit the building and everything for the first time tomorrow. So I feel a lot of pressure because I just want him to love it, but at the same time he's so easy peasy. I'm like, he's gonna love it. He's a sweetie pie. He's not gonna be mean. And that's on having issues with people being mean to you and always wanting to people please. Side note, oh my gosh, this is such a heavy box. I got one box of makeup done. This is definitely like Gru stance.
I'm here now.
Zachary is here and he's helping me pack up some boxes and bring them downstairs. And I'm sweating profusely.
If you need to learn how to talk to a lady.
Hi, so it's 5 hours later, but I came on here just to show you that I am so allergic to dust that my face is kind of freaking out right now. 0 out of 10, don't recommend packing up your whole life by yourself. I just moved out the last box. What do we start at? We started at 11 or 12 and it's 7:50 right now. I'm not good with time, but that feels like an entire work day. It's so weird to hear like the echo in my room now that there's no like mattress in here. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Everything looks so plain. Well, I'm exhausted. I literally cannot use any more brain cells or body power for anything else. So I'm gonna take a shower and I'll see you on moving day. Bye from me and my empty room. Love ya. We're going to the leasing office to get our keys and whatnot. And I have nervous farts.
Okay, that's where we cut it.
So I ordered the U-Haul, but I didn't get a ramp because I didn't know that I should get a ramp. So now all the boys are like, how are you gonna move the dresser and you didn't get a ramp? Very sorry at the boys. When I was looking back at this footage, I noticed that this bird landed on my trunk and I thought that was so cute and innocent, but then it also made me spiral into thinking about all the things that happen around me that I don't notice. Like, what else has happened around me that I haven't noticed? I have no words. Special guest, Evan. Good job. Wow. The most important thing out of this whole move.
This is a sad day for mommy.
Oh.
We're gonna miss you.
Oh! No, this was supposed to be happy. You gotta.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Look at us doing the heavy lifting. Especially Chloe. Our families made packing up the U-Haul and our cars so fast and so easy, so this process was actually really fun and didn't take a lot of time at all.
I thought this would be way more complicated.
I thought the same thing, but in 25 minutes, all of our boxes were packed up, we took some family photos, and we were on our way.
Perfect. Oh, you're so heavy.
Hi, I'm driving right now and you're in my cup holder, but that was the quickest move of my life. I've never moved before, but this is definitely the fastest one. Literally all of my family's cars and the U-Haul are on the way to the apartment now. We saw the apartment and it's absolutely beautiful. Zach and I freaked the F out. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And the people there are so nice, like the apartment leasing office people. So yeah, we're really excited. We had a lot of bumps in the road, like we were trying to pay like for the first month of the apartment in the leasing office with the lady there. And we tried on like all of their devices and it just wouldn't work. And then we went to the bank to get a money order, but then their printer stopped working and it was this whole thing. But it all ended up working great. I've never been so stressed in my life, but Zach keeps me calm. I really don't know the timeline of this vlog. So if you're still watching, I am forever grateful to you. You're probably helping us pay our second month of rent. I feel like I'm in a funeral service or like the president. I don't know, because I have my car, then my mom's car, then my boyfriend's car, then the U-Haul, and then my boyfriend's mom's car. It's like a whole lineup. Kind of cool. Does anyone else get nervous when their family's driving behind you? Like, I feel like I'm swerving so much, even though I never swerve when I drive, but I just feel like from the back I might look like I'm driving terribly. I don't know. It's just like a weird fear that I have. After a few hours, our families left and we are finally on our own. And then we got into a bit of a pickle.
Is the door handle moving on that side?
Yes. It's just the lock on the inside won't get out.
Yeah.
We are locked inside of our room. And our leasing lady is out there trying to get us out. At least we took a shower. Honestly, we're having a good time. I could be locked inside of a closet with Zachary and I would be so happy.
We should be like working with the stuff that's in the closet, unpacking.
But why would we do that?
Like,
Why would we do
we're
that?
chilling today. 4:42.
It's 4:42. Hopefully we can get out of here in like an hour at least. Look at Sadie at the door.
Let's say he's gonna lock the door for us.
Don't mind the washer noise, but we are out of the room. That's very exciting. And now we're just gonna go get some groceries because we just ate leftover pizza, but we want to make dinner. You want to make dinner? I'm really happy not to be a prisoner anymore. We just got back from our first grocery run and we spent
$290 and like 24 cents or something.
yes. That's the most we've ever spent on groceries together ever.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. And we're making dinner right now. Look, I've never been more excited. It's a baby pink toothbrush. It's a Philips Sonicare. Do you want to see what else is pink? You're never gonna guess it. You have like 5 seconds to guess. Okay. It is a baby pink Keurig. It's like a single use kind, like for a dorm, but since it's just the two of us and we're trying not to eat a lot of coffee, that's what we got. But look at it. It's pink. Eat a lot of coffee.
Eat a lot of coffee.
Drink a lot of coffee. Sadie, how do you feel? Me too. Zach and I love cooking together. We are just like such a great team. And do you notice that our pots are baby blue? My mom got them for us and I thought I was gonna die from how cute they are. But yeah, we just made some rice and chicken and added some avocado and called it a day or a night. Before bed, I FaceTime my dad who lives in New York to tell him all about the moving day and yeah, just divorced parents things. Zachary's behind me cooking in our new pots,
Yes.
in our new apartment, with our new eggs. He bought like 60 eggs. Was it 60?
60.
60 eggs. For how much? $4?
No, it was like $5.24.
Wow. Today's Wednesday, so we've lived here for
2 days.
2 days. And it's great. I love it.
I love it. It's fun. We've run into a lot of like funny situations. Last night our oven sounded like an alarm.
So it was kind of late. It was like 11 or 12, was it?
Yeah.
And I wanted to make a little bit of pizza. So I was making like the pizza that I usually make. And the oven, I was preheating it. And then it started making this beeping noise, like a fire alarm beep. Like the loudest thing possible.
I was so scared.
Like if you're thinking how loud it could have been, it's louder than that. And Zach was like, maybe I should put my pants on just in case we have to leave. It was just so scary because ovens make fires. And yeah, what else did we have to deal with? Is that the only
Just
thing?
getting locked in the room.
Oh yeah, you guys saw us get locked in the room.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know, everything's just been
It's
fun.
been fun, yeah.
It's always fun with you. Oh.
And with that one, maybe
Oh my gosh. And our little Sadie, all she does is sleep while we cook all day. But yeah, I'm really excited to be living here and to film a bunch of videos with Zach and be able to film all the time. Thank you guys for watching the moving vlog. I love you so much. Zach loves you too.
I love you guys.
And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.